Go, Pasha, please. Go, Pasha. Oh, it's not Pasha, please. Go.
Posh.
I don't want the other one to the face. More gear ready. Oh, that's pretty good. Now she's got great girl face. The ranger. See, she kicks her hip.
Number 147, now let's rush approach 1800. She's making her way to make up arena.
Sideways. Well, that's why I figured I'd get this angle. So she could see it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Pump it, Lacey, pump it. But
I could tell she's really working because she's leaning forward. She's not leaning back. I don't know what's going on. Look behind you, Lacey, because look what the girl's doing behind you. There you go. Make a good circle.
trying to keep my hands out of the riding ring. Where might she
Why
reverse?
is she jogging?
They said reverse and jog, but didn't that mean reverse first, jog second? I don't know, Lacey. You'll tell us when you watch this video and hear our commentary.
Yeah?
Wow, Kelly just said you're having a great ride.
If she can maintain her spot this time.
If she can maintain her rail space.
Rail
you know
space.
You have a rail space problem, Lacey.
Rail space. I'll pause.
She's the cutest little dog.
Load your horses, please. Load your horses.
Go, Lacey, go.
Go,
Go,
Lacey,
you're
go.
gonna lose your space.
Go,
There
Lacey,
you
go. Beep, beep, that ass so big.
You're gonna get a ticket or something like that.
Get a ticket, your ass so big.
She's got great rail space. She's having a good ride.
Good
Go,
ride.
Lacey. Jenny's your good luck charm. Now she has to come to all the shows.
All of them.
Would you come back?
Yep.
Yeah? Good.
Go, Lacey Lou, who? Go, Lacey Lou. This direction, she's straighter. She's way straighter.
Which probably isn't great.
No, it's still...
She's still got hips.
Hi, Poshy Pants.
Just relax, put your shoulders back and good.